Hello students, welcome to Praishu Edu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject intelligent test, and in this video we are going to see the exercise 6.2, which is for the analogy figures topic. So before going to see the exercise, there are some model questions. So just we are making the overview for this one. So questions in the following questions, the first and the second figure have the specific relationship between them. The same relationship exists between the third and the fourth figure. So to replace the question mark on a fourth place, we have to choose the options, or we can say the correct options figure from the answers figure. So question number one is there. So in this question figure, if we count the 1, 2 and 3, okay, so three lines are there, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 means here the 3, here the 6 means we can say multiply by 2. Likewise 1, 2, 3 and 4, so here the 4 means multiply by 2, there should be the 8 lines, and 8 lines are given in option number 4. So this 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, so option number 4 correct. Then question number 2, here the triangle means 3 sides, then with one line is added means 4 sides with the squares. Here 5 sides with a pentagon, so next one is the hexagon means 6 sides, so option number 3. 4 having the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, so option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 3, so there is an arrow in vertical shows, so but that is in the second term, that is tilted to the left side. So in a third figure or third term, there is a some line diagram, so that is a tilted with a same direction, or we can say same side in the third side, so that is a option number 2 is the correct one. Then question number 4, if you see the three lines in horizontal position of this quarter of the square, same in a second terms, that is the opposite of this quarter is having these lines, but the lines diagram directions are the 90-degree turning. Okay, so same in a third figure, so opposite of this quarter means this figure will become in a question marks to replacing this one, means of either 1, 2 and 3 options, but the lines now here horizontal means here the something verticals, and verticals lines are shown in option number 2. Now question number 5, circles vertical line here also means the same, but this something two lines, okay, here in a left side, okay, so that's rotate in something 90 degrees, or we can say right angle, but in a clockwise direction. So here these are the in third terms here, so in a fourth term that comes like this one here, okay, but this line is a keeping same, and this is given in option number 2. Now question number 6 figure, so this arrow is a turning something, this is a 45 and then 90, okay, means we can say 90 and something more, that one, okay, so comes this one, so this will comes the this 90 and the 45 like this one, and this is given in option number 4. Now we are going to see the exercise 6.2. So the question common directions are the same as our previous model questions are given. Now question number 1 is there. So if we compare between 1 and the 2, so this will means this circle is a exchanging with the figures of this one, but the first figure always be bigger one than the smaller one. Okay, so like this one, this will becomes this position and it will comes here, so this figure will be the first but bigger one, so this is shown in here. Okay, and the triangle is like this one, here triangle is different directions, so option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 2 figure, so this is a somewhat be mirror image, so as per this one, this mirror image shown in option number 3. Now question number 3, if you compare these two terms means they are exchanging and even their water images, so as per this one, this water images is shown in option number 2. Then question number 4, this is a triangle with a something right angle triangle here, so it's a rotation like this one, okay, and after this one another half is we can say the solid, okay, so like this is also turning like this one, and another half will be solid, means matching with the option number 4. Option number 2 having the different colors means side is showing the toward the left, but actually the hollow portion toward the left side, and the this solid color should be right side, so as per this one, option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 5, So if we compare first term and the second term, so always the bottom image will comes at the top one, means like here, and the shaded portions is moving to the up and then from the bottom side. This is the meaning. Okay, now it's in middle, so shaded will go on a top. Okay, so like this one, top shaded will be comes in a here bottom side. Now this pentagon will be at the bottom. Okay, so like this one, the option number 4 will be here. Okay, so this will comes at the top one and this will move bottom side, this will move bottom side, but this should be here with a shaded portion, means like this one, and this will be at the top, means this is the correct. So option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 6. So here if we compare, triangle is the middle one and in a second term it goes in a center side. Okay, so we will think about the reverse one because question mark is the third terms. Okay, so 4 to the third term we have to go. So like this one, second to the first figure we have to think. So here triangle is the middle one, that sorry, center one, that goes here middle one. So like this one, here center is a this pentagon, that will be in a middle position. Now here middle position means only one showing, which is in option number 3. Okay, then later on this outer side circle is goes to the center one. So here outer side triangle it goes to the center, means this 3 figure is a correctly. So that's why option number 3 is a correct one. Now question number 7. This figure is a matching with this figure, but it should be the in a mirror image. Okay, so like this one, this figure's mirror image is in option number 4. Then question number 8. If we compare these two figures, so the symbols at the end are different one. Okay, so here circle, but here circle is not there, here triangle, but here triangle is not there, means totally different symbols comes, but the lines, small lines coming the double, here the two arrows coming together. Okay, then like this one, here also half circles coming the doubles one. So as compared to the this one, and the lines are the here vertical, so here horizontal, the line directions are keeping the same, means as per this one matching with option number 2. So lines are in horizontal, these two arrows are get together and with a small half circles. Okay, so likewise here also small half circles comes, and then triangles replaced with a different symbols, and this here the circles replaced with a square. So here square with a circles, means replacing all the same symbol. So that's why option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 9. So here the square with a something 90-degree rotation, but the arrow directions are toward the horizontal, means at the same direct at the same points. Okay, so here also in the right side also, but at the center there is a circle. In the second terms, this square is rotated with a 90-degree and comes in the center, but the center circles now comes to the outside, but the arrows are in a same directions, mean at a single points for the left side and a single point at the right side. So means arrows are keeping the same, so this arrow we will keeping the same. So these are arrows are shown in option number 3 correctly. Here the inside the figure shown, so this is incorrect one. Here the showing at the center at the one point, but here the different directions shown, so option number 2 is incorrect. Now this square inside one, that comes to outside but has to be rotation, so option number 1 also incorrect because this is showing the same directions. So the option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 10. This half is rotating anti-clockwise with a 90-degree. So likewise this triangle also has to rotate in a 90-degree. So it will come in horizontal position like this one or like this. But the lines are in the same directions. Okay. So here the horizontal means here also horizontal, means option number 4 is the correct one. So this is incorrect. Now question number 11. So here the logic is something different. So interchanging of these top two figures are with the left to the right and right to the left. Bottoms are also interchanging their position from left to the right and right to the left. But here the fours, okay, 4 quantities. So quantities are getting half for the same quarter. Whatever the symbol comes, that symbol will be the maintaining that quantity. Here 4, so that's why here the 2. So this quarter is a 4. So after that one the quarter getting reduced half of the 2. Here this quarter having the 6. So here half of 6 means here the 3. Here total are the 6. So here comes the 3. Likewise here the 8. and so here 4, means every quarter having the reducing quantity by the half. Okay, but the symbols are interchanging their top positions, and here the bottom positions, the right and the left respectively. So likewise here the square, so squares will comes here, and here 9 and 10 figures, so here the 5 squares shown, so 5 squares shown here and here. Now here the 2 squares shown, so this figure will come here but with a half of this one, so it will be something one quantity, and that is shown in a option number 2. So option number 2 is correctly. And here the 6 quantity, so that's why here the 6 by 2 means 3 quantity of this heart shape, so here the same shape. And here the 4 quantities, so this symbol will come here with a 2 quantities, so these 2 quantities correctly, so that's why option number 2 is correctly. Now question number 12. So this figure is a rotations of this something here with angularly, so with anti-clockwise, then this shapes comes. So this figures has to rotate anti-clockwise, and after this one the option number 1 is correctly after the same degree of the rotations we will consider. Then question number 13. These are the two halves, okay, this part and this part. Now at the center we can say, now this center, this part is revolving like this and this part is revolving like this. Okay, so same this one also, this is the center, this is the center. Now this part is revolving like this and this part is revolving like this. So as per this one we are getting the option number 4's correct figure. Now question number 14. So this triangle with respect to this hexagon, this square with respect to this triangle, and this circle with respect to this square. So as per this moment or moment of this triangle to the center, so hexagon to the center, so hexagon to the center is only shown in option number 4. Then circles, here circles goes outside, so here the square, so square goes outside, so square is here shown, means only the option number 4 is correctly. Then after this one, this square is at the middle, so here the triangle at the middle, so that's why option number 4 is correct. Then question number 14. So square and these 3 circles, so these are moving like this one, but one circles is getting hide and this square getting the additions of the one quantity, so this one with a anti-clockwise direction. So same this anti-clockwise directions means this star will be at the left side, so star having the left side means this figure and this figure, but the now star is here 1, so that will be the quantity with 2, so but it should be at the lower positions, means now this figure is correct and this figure is correct, so option number 1 is the wrong one. Now we will compare in between these two. So now here the 3 circles, now it will reduce to the bottom sides, so as per this one here the 2 half circles has to shown, but the half circles at the upper side means like this one, so its directions are the different one here, so that's why option number 3 is the wrong one, so option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 16. So in a first figure and the second term, if you see, it's a something rotations like this one, then this will comes at the top one, means 90-degree turn, but the middle figure means this triangle, it's the rotation like this one. Okay, means the same rotation, so like this one, this figure means the circle and this figure means the square, we have to make a rotations of this one, and this circle and this circle having the opposite of this solid inside one, center one. So with considering this one, so these circles with 90-degree rotations means this and this is a rotations from here to here, means this direction, so as per this one this is also in these directions, means these solid circles will be here, means like this one. Okay, means matching to the option number 3, so that's why option number 4 is a different one, so the option number 3 is a correct one as per the rotations of this top figure and top figure of this circle. So and at the bottom side these small circles and the triangles if we consider, so opposite of this middle solid, so here the vertical, so it will be 90-degree, means it is the in horizontal position, so that's why option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 17. So this shape is a somewhat be rotation with a 180-degree, it will comes the English P, and this symbol will be upward direction. So that's why same relations we have to make for this one. So it will convert rotation with a 180 degree. So after the rotations of the 180 degree, means if this is a here, so these directions will be here, but this half circle will be the at the something bottom side. So means option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 18. So this figure and this figure means term number 1 and the second term. If you compare, these triangles inside this one are the keeping the same. Only the these horizontals left and the right side means the circles are getting hidden. But with the additions of these two vertices, this shapes is comes, and the lines here, the cross means in diagonal, but here in horizontal. So with the same relations if we are making here, so these outsides are the comes same, but the line will be the something inclined like this one. So for this one, option number 2 is a perfectly matching. So this will comes like this one, but these two figures will be same. So now here the triangle will getting hidden. Okay, so that's why option number 2 is the correctly. Now, question number 19. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 are the petals. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So additions of the two petals like this one. Here the three petals. So additions of the two means there should be the five petals, and five petals are shown in option number 2. Now question number 20. Circle, then small triangle, and then square. So now square will becomes the first, then the second terms comes, and then these circles and the triangles are moving to the right side. But the now in the next figure, the triangle is making the bigger size. Likewise, this I will becomes in a first. So I means option number 2, 3, and 4. Then cross and then plus sign. So then cross and the plus sign, cross and the plus sign, cross and the plus sign. Okay, but the final last figure will be the in means the plus sign should be in bigger size than the cross. So here plus sign is smaller, here plus sign is smaller. So that's why option number 2 and 3 are incorrectly. So option number 4 is correctly, because here the plus sign is showing the bigger one. Now question number 21. So if we compare the figures term 1 and term 2, so here half circle is getting doubles means 2 in quantity, but inside there are the two symbols, then it's get hidden and only the in one quantity means quantity getting the half. So like this one, there are the four symbols, so inside there should be the two symbols. Okay, and this top and the bottom, there are the half of single circle, so that should be the two circles, and the new symbols will be comes here. So here the star and the square, so square should not be there, even star should not be there. So new symbols forms should be there, means with matching these two figures, but here the top and the bottom only single side shows. So this why this is incorrectly. So this means option number 3 is the correctly one. Now question number 22. Here 1, 2, 3, and 4 lines. So after getting the reduce with a one line, so means three lines, and with the three lines this shapes is comes like a alphabet N, like this here the three lines. So one line get reduced, so only the two lines, and two lines shown in option number 3 and the 4. But the option number 3 is perfectly, because one line if you reduce, so that the making the shape, or we can say the angle, should be equal. So that's why option number 3 is correctly. In our book option number 1 is shown, but that is something very different logic. So that's why we are thinking that option number 3 is correctly as per the line reducing quantity. Now question number 23. So this figure is means these lines are keeping the same, only the symbols are rotation in a we can say the opposite. Okay, so this triangle comes in replace to the opposite of this quarter with the circles, and this minus sign and the cross signs also interchanging. Like this one, this cross two lines are the same. Now here the solids means that will comes in a left side, so here only and here only. Then this plus signs will be the replacing to the solids circles, so means the here and here correctly. Now this figure should be bottom and this I should be top one, so I should be top one and this one. So option number 2 is correct. In option number 4 these figures are keeping the same, so option number 4 is incorrectly. So the option number 2 is correct one. Now question number 24. 15 then 19, likewise 7 and question mark. So 15 plus 4 is 19, like this one. 7 plus 4 is 11, so 11 is showing in option number 2. Then question number 25, here circles, here also circles, means here square, so in replacing to the question marks there should be the square, like this one. Now star is a top of the left side. Now here the top of bottom of the left, means the same directions, or we can say they are revolving in the anti-clockwise directions. Okay, so same we are making this rotation, so this division sign should be at the bottom, means here this is a correctly, so only the option number 4 is correct one. Then this cross sign should be here, which is correctly, and here negative sign should be at the top of the right side, means here, so that's why option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 26, here the hexagon. So after the hexagon means 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 sides, so like this one, 6 lines are making different arrangement. So triangles means 3 lines, and inside there is a vertex and the opposite middle point, so that is a meridian. So 1 2 and 3 lines, so 3 plus 3 6 lines, so number of lines are the same but the shapes are different one, with but with a inside meridians is or we can say inside vertex to the opposite sides middle one is attaching. Now here 1 2 3 4 and 5 lines, so 5 lines maintaining only in option number 2, and the vertex are attaching. Okay, so that's why option number 2 is correctly. Now in option number 1 already pentagon is maintained and additional one line is there, but line should not be getted added, so option number 1 is incorrect. Option number 4, 4 lines are shown, so that's why it's incorrectly. Now question number 27, now here the square, whatever the shown in eye as a eye, that comes to the outside. Okay, so here eye shape is a half circle, so that comes outside, so option number 3 and 4 are approaching. Then nose having the here triangle, so that shows here like a mouth, and the mouth's shape is showing to the nose, so likewise means interchanging of mouth and the nose shapes. So here circles, so circles shown to the mouth, so here like this one, and squares to the nose, so here also correct, here also correct. But now if you observe the eye shapes shown here, so it should be replaced to the this outsides, because here the outside is the circles, now that comes to the circle eye as a eye. So here outside triangle, so same triangle shapes has to be maintained here, but here the triangle shapes are in a different direction, so that's why option number 3 is a correctly one with the same shapes. Now question number 28, here M, here W, so it's a water image of this M is shown, and L is a mirror image of the shown. So here S water image will be like this one and like this one, means option number 2 and the 4. Then the J having the mirror image like this, so it's shown in a option number 4 correctly. Here the it's a water image, so that's why option number 2 is incorrectly, so option number 4 is a correct one. Now question number 29, so here circle in the second term also the circle, but here those symbols are the outside, that comes in a next figure inside, and those symbols are inside, that comes to the outside. So like this one, triangle should be just keeping the same, but the symbols are the outsides, that comes the inside, but the rotation should be there. So here the triangle inside, so outer should be the triangle like this one, and then outside there is a positive sign and the dot is there, so that comes to the inside but with a rotation, so this will comes to the this side, and this symbol will comes here, so with the inside, means option number 2 is a correct one. Now question number 30, so here if you compare the question figures, so term 1 and the term 2, so outside both the circles and inside the squares, or we can say the middle one squares, so middle one squares is comes to the outside, and outside circles only in middle one, so like this one, outside here the hexagon, so in the next term only the middle hexagon, so here, here and here, means option number 1 2 and 4 can be correct, so option number 3 is incorrect. Now next one, here solid circle, then triangle and hollow circle. So okay, so now these solid circles move to the first in the toward the left side, and these two figures are moving toward the, or we can say shifting toward the right side. Likewise, this triangle, solid triangle, will come to the first one, means this shape and these shapes. After this one, so hollow triangle and then circle, it will move to the right side in a sequentially, or we can say shifting. So triangle and the circle, so triangle and the circle, but here the circle and triangle shown, so this is the incorrect one. And here the first solid triangle should be required, so here the hollow triangle is shown, so that's why this option also incorrectly. So the option number 1 is the correct one. Thank you.